How to use eBay gift card online. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually use your eBay gift card online, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use your eBay gift card online, all you have to do is simply open up your browser, go to www.ebay.com, say that you have a specific gift card, you want to use it on eBay website. It's very simple. First of all, you want to make sure to add all the products that you want to add to your cart, and when you add them to your cart you have to use a gift card during the checkout process. Now to do this, first of all, click the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then just go to the checkout page that you see over here. When you go to checkout, right over here, it will ask you to simply enter a couple of your payment details over here, right? But we want to use our gift card, so what we will do is we're going to scroll down a bit, and then here you'll find a section that says gift cards, coupons and eBay bucks. So all you need to do is simply make sure to enter your gift card code as well as coupons as well as eBay bucks over here, and then just click the apply button over here. Once you click on the apply button over here, you'll be able to successfully apply this gift card, and then depending upon the value of the gift card, it's going to be successfully applied and redeemed to purchase this product that you see over here. Now after that, you can add your other payment details if the payment isn't quite enough in your gift card. So hope this video helps you as to how you can go ahead and simply use your eBay gift card online. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.